Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to offbeatTech.com. Today it's a very quick tutorial on how to set up custom cursor on your computer. It's a very easy task to set a custom cursor on your computer. First things first, what you have to do is open any browser, Microsoft Edge, what I prefer. You can also open Chrome, Firefox, etc. I think Microsoft Edge is a bit faster than others. Okay, after that type open cursor library. I will try to give a link in the description box. You can click that and go to the website directly, or type this open cursor library. Here you can see the first website. Right click on that, and this is a website where you can get thousands of custom cursors and mouse pointers to use on your computer, and all these are 100% free. All these are 100% virus free, and there is no malware software in this. For example, we search Avengers, Avengers, Avengers. Now we can just see that the result for Avengers such as Thor cursor, Iron Man cursor, Captain America, Marvel Avengers, the Avengers cursor, all these are loaded. So next you have to do select which one you want to download, and just right click on that. After that, like this, a page should pop up. Now you can see the download button. Download and store it in your computer, save it in your computer, then go to settings. You find where the settings is, and then go to settings. After going to settings, you have to open devices, then mouse, and on the right side you can see additional mouse options. Click on that. A window like this should pop up. Then after you see this window, go to the second bar called pointers. Now you have to browse the downloaded file and click on apply, and hit the button OK. As now I am recording my screen, it will not show the custom cursor, but I'm sure 100% that your one will show. So here is how can you add custom cursor on your computer. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like the video, give a like. If you face any problem, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.